let's talk about Sarah. She definitely did not look or act normal, but was it exactly that and an act? So, how much does she know about Michael's disappearance? Or what did she actually do? Or what was she involved with? Let's have a look at some of her posts. You can definitely see his photo behind her on the fridge. This is a post talking about please help find him. He's missing from our neighborhood. This is her husband's profile where he made Michael his profile picture just days after he went missing. I don't know what these two have to do with this, but this world is a sick place.
When Jesus was on the cross and he said, "Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do," he forgave it all. Literally every sin that you see being committed today. Doing this lesson that God's been showing me about loving my neighbor as myself and what that looks like. And also learning to get over myself. That's something I've been having to do. I got a dog recently. I know Jesus is coming soon, but I got a dog. Literally so I can scoop the poop. Sounds crazy.
So you were definitely posting about him missing in your neighborhood. Your husband, ex-husband, made his photo, his profile picture. I'm not sure. Lots of weird stuff. May justice come. Thanks for watching. Until next time.